A popular approach based on decentralized management control philosophy is total quality management, or TQM. In this course, we'll describe the concept of total quality management and major TQM techniques, including quality circles, benchmarking, Six Sigma principles, quality partnering, and continuous improvement. Total quality management, known as TQM, is an organization-wide effort to infuse quality into every activity in a company through continuous improvement. The TQM philosophy focuses on teamwork, increasing customer satisfaction, and lowering costs. Organizations implement TQM by encouraging managers and employees to collaborate across functions and departments, as well as with customers and suppliers, to identify areas for improvement, no matter how small. Each quality improvement is a step towards perfection and meeting a goal of zero defects. Quality control becomes part of the day-to-day business of every employee rather than being assigned to specialized departments. The implementation of TQM involves the use of many techniques, including quality circles, benchmarking, Six Sigma principles, quality partnering, and continuous improvement. A quality circle is a group of employees who meet regularly to discuss and solve problems that affect the quality of their work. At a set time during the work week, the members of a quality circle meet, identify problems, and try to find solutions. Circle members are free to collect data and take surveys. The reason for using quality circles is to push decision-making to an organizational level at which recommendations can be made by the people who do the job and know it better than anyone else. Benchmarking is defined as the continuous process of measuring products, services, and practices against the toughest competitors or those organizations recognized as industry leaders to identify areas for improvement. Organizations may also use benchmarking for generating new business ideas, assessing market demand, or identifying best practices within an industry. There's a 5-step benchmarking process, which is to plan, which includes identifying the objectives of the study and the characteristics of a product or service that significantly influence customer satisfaction. Then the second step is to find, identifying the source of information to be collected. Third, to collect, that's gathering information. Fourth, to analyze, which is benchmarking data that has been collected and recommending areas for improvement. And then finally, improve, implementing recommendations and then monitoring them through continuous benchmarking. Based on the Greek letter sigma, which statisticians use to measure how far something deviates from perfection, Six Sigma is a highly ambitious quality standard that specifies a goal of no more than 3.4 defects per million parts. That essentially means being defect-free 99.9997% of the time. However, Six Sigma has deviated from its precise definition to become a generic term for quality control approaches that takes nothing for granted and emphasizes a disciplined and relentless pursuit of higher quality and lower costs. Six Sigma is based on a 5-step methodology referred to as DMAIC, standing for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control, which provides a structured way for organizations to approach and solve problems. One of the drawbacks of a traditional quality control program is that people from the quality control department are often seen as outsiders to the business groups they serve. Because they don't have a strong knowledge of the processes they're studying, their work may be viewed with suspicion or as an interruption to the normal work routine. A new approach called quality partnering involves assigning dedicated personnel within a particular functional area of the business. In this approach, the quality control personnel work alongside others within a functional area, identifying opportunities for quality improvements throughout the work process. Another advantage of this approach is that quality partners are viewed as insiders and peers who are readily accepted into the work group. You can find extraordinary success from making a series of mostly small improvements. This approach, called continuous improvement, or Kaizen, is the implementation of a large number of small, incremental improvements in all areas of the organization on an ongoing basis. The basic philosophy is that improving things a little bit at a time, all the time, has the highest probability of success. Innovations can start simple, and employees can build on their successes in this unending process. Total quality management is an organization-wide effort to infuse quality in every activity in an organization through continuous improvement. The TQM philosophy focuses on teamwork, increasing customer satisfaction, and lowering costs.